Amelia, Cassandra Mateo, Rim Smash! Hi, this is Jessie Anime, bringing you all that anime has to offer every Wednesday and Saturday. And today I'm going to be talking about the August Tokyo Treat Box with the theme Summer Vacation. And this time they're having a little Explore Japan page, which is what's your perfect Japanese summer break? Take our quiz featuring some of our top picks for a Japanese adventure. And I won't go into details about that, but it looks really cool. Okay. First, we're going to try the, which is, wow, huge bag. Setochi sea salt and lemon rice crackers. Enjoy the refreshing taste of the Japanese seaside in these light and airy treats. These salty rice crackers feature an acidic twist from Setochi lemons, known for being sweet and fragrant. They have a tiny one. That's what I'm gonna try. Oh, it smells like lemons. It literally just tastes like salt crackers. I can't even get the lemon. Yaukin Crunchy Brown Sugar Snack. Brown sugar is a sweet and satisfying treat enjoyed by people all over Japan. Now it's coming to you in a light and airy snack. This hunger-busting treat is easy to enjoy in the summer sun. Ooh, boy, it definitely smells like brown sugar. It kind of tastes like Cocoa Pebbles. Weird. Next we have the Umaibo Rings Sugar Rusk. Umaibo doesn't only come in stick form. These sweet sugar rusk rings are a crunchy new addition to the Umaibo series, perfect for a light snack on the go. There's lots of sugary things this time. It tastes like sugary cheese. Like literally cheese with sugar on it. It's very weird. Okay, Oranda rice cracker. The original thin and crispy cracker. This rice cracker has its rich flavor baked in for a delicious and uniquely Japanese light snack. It tastes like a very salty cracker. Ooh, caramel corn snack. When you're not too hungry, a light and airy snack is exactly what you need. Caramel corn is the perfect mouthful. Its sweet taste and crunchy texture will eliminate any summer hunger. Definitely tastes like caramel corn. The yakisoba snack. Japanese festivals are a summer highlight, and with this yakisoba, you can enjoy a festival wherever you are. These noodles have a savory flavor you won't be able to stop munching. So basically dried noodles. They taste like yakisoba. Sour lemon gum. Shake off the summer fatigue with the sour burst. This Japanese gum will give you a lemon-flavored burst that will help you get through the long summer days. I'm not putting that whole thing in my mouth. Oh my gosh, so sour. So sour. Oh my god, that was like putting a lemon in direct, just eating a lemon. Ugh. Okay. Pucker Scratch Mints. Summer's for playing and having fun in the sun, but if you need a fresh and minty pick-me-up, these tasty little mints have your back. Perfect when you need a refreshing boost. That was literally like eating a lemon. It was gnarly.
Smells good.
Bubbly Taiyaki watermelon chocolate. No Japanese beach trip is complete with watermelon. Bubbly Taiyaki has a summer makeover. Inside the green fish-shaped wafer is a light and airy watermelon chocolate. I'm allergic to watermelon, but there's obviously not real watermelon in it. I hope. We'll see! I have an allergic reaction on camera.
The things we do for love of chocolate.
And watermelon. Whoa, boy! I feel like I'm in Kiki's delivery service right now, which ironically I'm wearing my Kiki's delivery service shirt. Perfect timing. The little fish-shaped breads, takoyaki, that she would deliver in Kiki's delivery service. Oh God, it smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. This is amazing. I feel like I'm in Kiki right now. I don't really taste chocolate, I just taste watermelon.
I mean, you're far enough in.
And we got Cocoa Bolo Bites. With all these fresh and fruity treats, we wanted to add a little richness. The bold Cocoa of Cocoa Bolo will have all chocoholics rushing for more. Why are you laughing at me? What did I say?
Coco.
Eating Cocoa Puffs. Okay, so that was it for the August Tokyo Treat Box.
Start over.
I'm still recovering from that lemon gum. That was very strong. It was literally like sticking an entire lemon in my mouth. But anyway, that's it for today. I will see you on Wednesday for the next ReZero Season 2 review. Bye!